Congrats, you've successfully finished the HTML skeleton. I hope you coded along with me and now you have all the elements in place. And now we finally come to the CSS part of our code. In this section, we're going to make our app look pretty and make it look exactly like the final output right here. So this is what we want by the end of this section. Though the app won't work because there's no JavaScript, it should look exactly like this, okay? I've been really waiting for this part. Somehow an app doesn't look or feel complete unless it has been styled to the max, even if it works as it should. So that's why CSS is very, very important with regards to web development, especially web app development. Without a good looking user interface, your players or users won't feel like it's a good app. So to start with, let me create our style sheet. I'll be creating an external style sheet for this project. So right click, new file. I'll create a file called style.css, which is going to be our external style sheet. There are other ways to include CSS within a website as well. For example, let's go back to index.html and I can include the CSS code within the head section right here by using the style tags, which are for the CSS elements. Okay, so I can include style tags, the starting and end tags, and there you go. In here you can include all your CSS codes. Okay, you can do that as well. This is called an internal style sheet, but we'll be sticking to an external style sheet in our project because it's always good practice to separate the HTML elements from the styling elements. That's why we have two different files altogether. We'll be doing the same for JavaScript as well. When we get to it, we'll be separating JavaScript from our HTML as well. Okay, so now delete this first because we don't need it. Okay, so now we've created our CSS file, but how would the browsers know that they need to apply the stylings that you specify within this CSS file to the elements of this HTML file? These two are not connected in any way, so they need to be connected for the browser to know. So we can do that by using the link tag to link these two files. Okay, you can include the link tag within the head tag. So link. Then you can mention the relationship with rel as a style sheet since we are linking to a style sheet. And then also the type of the file that we're linking to is going to be a text/CSS file. As you can see here, brackets is already prompting me. Okay, so I can just select that. And then href is going to be the reference. Okay, the href is going to be the hyperlink reference, as in the link of this CSS file, so we know where it is. So style.css, because both of these files are in the same folder. Okay, so all you have to do is give style.css and your browser would know. So that's it. And then finally, link is an empty tag, so I can just give a / to know that it's an empty tag. So there you go. Now our index.html file and CSS file are linked with the link tag.